Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to do question number 2 part G and H of Brain Teaser chapter number 12 construction of quadrilaterals. ABCD quadrilateral is to be constructed. ABCD both sides 3 cm, BCAD 4 cm each and diagonals are 5 cm each. So first I am making a rough sketch. Let this diagonal is AC and here I take this way. AB is 3 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter. Similarly, this way I have drawn, this is AD 4 centimeter and CD 3 centimeter. And when you will see this AC, you have taken 5 centimeter, and when you will join this diagonal BD, it will also come as 5 centimeter. Later you need to find out that which type of quadrilateral is this. Type of quadrilateral is to be written. So let's start. This is scale kept in proper position. This is 0 and this is 5. Join it. 5 centimeter, that is AC. Now point A and 3 centimeter is to be cut. So see, I have kept here, this is 3 centimeter exactly. Compass tip on A and this is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter will be cut from C also here down. Now open up the compass 4 centimeter. Keep the compass tip on C, cut an arc here, and from A again 4 centimeter this side. Need to join these. This is joined. This is also joined. This is joined. And this is joined. This is B point. This is D point. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. Now join the diagonal BD. Check its length by keeping the scale. It is exactly 5 centimeter. So construction has been completed. A result, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now we are to check what type of quadrilateral is this. So I am showing one table to you. You can see here both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. It is happening in parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square. Both pairs of opposite angles are equal. It is also true in all. Diagonals bisect each other. It is also true in all. Diagonals are equal. And it is possible only in a rectangle and square. So these options can be neglected. Now let's concentrate upon these. So either it is rectangle or square. So further you see each angle is 90 degree. If you measure its each angle, it will be 90 degree. Now diagonals intersect each other at right angles. It is not happening in square. Diagonals intersect each other at right angles. It is happening in square but not in a rectangle. Means they do not intersect at right angles in a rectangle. So let's check. If I keep the protractor here and I check, it is not giving 90 degree. So it means it is not satisfying the properties of square. So therefore ABCD is a rectangle. It is satisfying all the properties of a rectangle. Now, next question is ABCD. You are to construct all the sides are 5 centimeter each and angle AB, A and B 90 degree. Suppose I take here AB and that is 5 centimeter. On point A as well as on point B, we make 90 degree. Then he has told all sides are equal. So from here I will cut 5. From here I will cut 5. This will be C. This is D. And we will join this. So this is A angle 90. A angle 90. These automatically will come 90. C and D. So 5 centimeter are all sides. It is not asked in this question that what type of quadrilateral is this. We just need to construct it. So I have taken the scale, origin 0 and 5. This is 5 centimeter. This is AB 5 centimeter. Angle A 90 degree. It can be made with compass. At both points A and B, you are taking an arc. Keep the compass tip here 60. From here 120. This is 60. This is 120. Again here 60. From here 120. This is 60 and this is 120. Now extend it. This side also. Now 5 centimeter arc you are to cut from A as well as B. So keep the compass tip here. This is 5. Keep the compass tip here. This is 5. And join these 2 point arcs. ये देखो ये आप join कर रही हो. This is this way. This arrow. This arrow. This is point D. This is point C. And this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Even angle C and D will also come out to be 90 degree. So we have constructed H part also. Now we have completed all brain teasers of chapter number 12, construction of quadrilaterals. In my next videos, I will post HOTS and enrichment questions solutions. You all are advised to do all the questions yourself, taking care that you should have the instruments related to compass in the best way. Like see, this is your scale, protractor, this compass, lead pencil, eraser, pencil, right? And then sharpener. All these things must be all times available with you, right? Now complete all these constructions. I hope you have understood all the constructions explained. Like the video, subscribe the channel if not subscribed yet, and comment if you have liked all the videos related to constructions. Thank you very much.